Good day guys, you're welcome to the channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the best arbitrage AI scanner. So guys, the arbitrage scanner is a tool you use to look for trading opportunities, that's arbitrage opportunities in the crypto market. So what if I told you that the same crypto coin can have different prices on different exchanges at the same time? And that difference is what smart traders trade to make money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how arbitrage works and how to use arbitrage scanner to step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to make use of this tool and make consistent profit from the crypto arbitrage market. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay to the end of the video, because in this video, we are going to understand how to make a minimum of $100 to $500 and more every single day trading with the crypto arbitrage tool. So what is arbitrage? Arbitrage simply means buying something cheap in one place and selling it higher in another place. Let's say, for example, if Bitcoin is selling for $40,000 on exchange A and $40,300 on exchange B, we can buy it from exchange A and sell it at exchange B, and the difference is our profit, which is $300. So arbitrage scanners help us find this opportunity automatically, and instead of us searching manually here and there for arbitrage opportunity. So this helps us find this opportunity automatically, guys. So guys, let's dive into the different types of arbitrage we can look for with this tool. So on this arbitrage product here, you can click on it. So the link to this website is on the description below, and I'll pin it on the comment section. To get more information, you can also reach out on the Telegram link on the comment section and also on the description section for proper guidance. So if we click here, the first one is called the arbitrage screener. The arbitrage screener automatically looks for arbitrage opportunity without you doing anything. So for example, we can see here currently at Ethereum, we have 0.91%. As if you take this is almost 1% profit. You can make your own list on the amount minimum you want to be trading from. Let's say 2%. We can see here this is 1%, meaning if we buy at this exchange and sell at Bybit, we will make 1% on Ethereum. And that is, so it depends also on your volume. This 1% on a bigger volume, it might make up to $100, $200, $1,000, just depending on your volume. And you can perform these tasks up to 100 times a day, 10 times a day, 5 times a day, depend on you. So guys, this is mind-blowing, guys. And you can check out all this opportunity here every single day. It's automatically discovered for you. And we can see currently here, you can blacklist any currency you don't want and add any currency you want and your minimum profit. So guys, let's go to the next one, which is Arbitrage Perpetual. So these tools is for future or perpetual trading, not for spot trading. So you're not buying the actual coin, you're just trading the price movement in perpetual arbitrage. And if we come down here, we can see the different opportunities that are available for you with this platform. You can see here, this trading this will give you 3%. That is from coin index to gate features. We give you 3.14%, 3.7%. You can check it here. You can even scroll down here. We have up to 9%. Now imagine you performing these tasks up to 3, 4, 5 times a day, and you can see the significant amount of profit you can make from arbitrage trading, guys. You can make consistent profit from the arbitrage market, guys. And the best thing about arbitrage trading is that it's not like normal trading where you lose. What you have to do is to check the fees, the transaction fees, and make these transactions multiple times, guys. You can do it as much as you want, guys. So the next one here we have here is arbitrage scanner. Now there's a difference between arbitrage screener and arbitrage scanner. Arbitrage screener automatically looks for the opportunity for you, while arbitrage scanner, you have to put the pair you want to look for. You have to create it. Like if you want a special analysis on certain pairs in different exchange, you put it here and it will look for those opportunities for you. That's for arbitrage Scanner. Then Arbitrage Scanner looks for those opportunities for you. This is mind-blowing too, guys. If you're smart, you make use of it and you will make consistent profit daily from the crypto market, guys. I'm going to make another video on Arbitrage Scanner alone, showing you how you can make within $100 to $500 trading with the Arbitrage Scanner on your crypto platform every single day, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also guys, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I would like to hear your comment, guys. And also guys, don't forget to join the Telegram group, which the link is on the comment section. And if you want to get access to the Arbitrage Scanner, there is a link there which I post on the comment section and on the description section that will take you to sign up to the Arbitrage Scanner so that you can make use of it, guys. This is a very mind-blowing tool, and in 2026, you have to make use of this tool to capitalize on the crypto market, guys. So guys, let me show you the different subscription options. I'm using the business plan. This is the plan I'm currently on. This is the business plan. You can use the status plan, and you can even go for 1 month. You can see how cheap it is. You can go for 1 month, and you can make this subscription plan in just a single day. You can make this subscription plan back. And me, I'm currently using this. Any one of your choice, you can make use of that, and you'll be able to make consistent profit from the crypto market. If you want any guidance, reach out to me on Telegram. There's a link on the comment section and the description section. With that, I will guide you guys. So guys, don't forget again to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.